It was a peaceful morning on the farm when Emily heard a faint cry coming from the field.
Hmm, what's that sound? Is someone in trouble?
Curious, she followed the sound and found a baby goat stuck in a muddy ditch, struggling to get free. Without hesitation, Emily knelt down. She said,
Hang on, little one.
pulling with all her strength. At last the goat was free. She carried the baby goat to the barn, where its mother greeted it with joyful bleats. As the sun set, Emily walked back across the fields, smiling to herself. It had been a good day on the farm.
Another good day on the farm. See you tomorrow, little buddy.
Oh, that's so beautiful. So we're gonna start by going to ChatGPT and then get the story. So here is the story from ChatGPT, and then we ask ChatGPT to create the prompt and the voiceover for all the story in order to create this beautiful video. So we've got everything that we need. So we're gonna start by copying the first scene of the prompt, and then we go to leonardo.ai. As you can see, I was working on this project. So this is the first prompt that ChatGPT has given us, and then the images are here. So all you need to do is to copy the images. What I used is a Leonardo Phoenix 1.0. So I've got all the images that I need for this story. So if you don't know how to do this is easy. You can just come here to the prompt section, and then you just put the new you just come and put the prompt on this in order for you to generate this of images. So another option that you can also use is to go to a Meta AI. So Meta AI is also free to use, and then it doesn't have a limit. All you need to do is to create as many images and videos as you want. So the only thing that you need to do is to put the prompt on this ask Meta AI anything. Just put the prompt there, and then you put, let me just show you, just click and paste here, and then you click on this arrow, and then the image will come. And then all you need to do is to come to this. After you get your image, just make sure that you animate your images so that you can have the motion on your images. So with the prompt that I used just now, this is what I actually got. Look at the consistency of the images. So this is very, very beautiful. All right, so when you are done with creating your videos, then you come here to download. So with the images that you got from Leonardo, you need to use another website or another AI in order for you to generate the motion on your images. So I'm going to show you on where to actually create this kind of video. We're going to turn our images into video using Link 1.6. So what we're going to do now is to come here to image to video, and then you click on this arrow so that we can just bring the image into this platform. Okay, and then you come here, then you scroll a little bit, and then you choose, come here to prompt. Then this is this is optional. Then you put the prompt on what you want the image to do. So if you don't want to do that, you can just leave it and then move to another settings. So we come here, the duration will take 5 seconds, or you can just choose the one for 10 seconds. So the 10 seconds one is going to take a little bit more of your credit. And then you also need to choose the mode for your video. So we're gonna need to change it to professional mode, but remember this is gonna take more credit, so I'm gonna just leave it to standard mode. And then I come here to generate, and then let me just generate. Okay, so these are the results of what we have asked Link AI to create the the video motion for us. So another thing that you can also do with this, you can also take the very same video and lip sync with the voice over that you want to use. But if you don't want to do that, it's also okay. Then after that, you come here to download the images, and then you're gonna need to repeat the whole process again until you are done with the images that you got from Leonardo, until you are finished. So we need to generate the voiceovers. So we're going to use a text to speech by OpenAI. So all you need to do is to bring your text on this, you just paste it here. You're gonna need to come here and choose the model for your voice. Okay, so there are lots of voices that you can choose from. Just go through them alone and then just decide which one you actually love.
Technology that converts text into speech.
Okay, and then another thing that you can also do is to come here and search, and then you just put the if maybe you are looking for the voice of the female, you can just click female, and then the age, let's just say young, and then the accent, you just choose the accent of your model. So let's just say American, and then you will get those they will automatically come here. Okay, so then you can just go through them and then listen if the one that you want is
Text to
there.
speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based
Okay,
on.
so if maybe you want to keep this as your favorite, you can just come here and then you can just come here and click on this love. Then this voice will be part of your favorite, then it will be kept on favorite voices. So if you want, if there are certain voices that you actually love, you can just do, or then you can easily find them on this site. Okay, then you just come here and
The morning
listen.
sun rises over the farm, casting golden light on the rolling fields. Birds sing their cheerful songs, and the goats graze peacefully. Little Emily, with her straw hat slightly tilted, steps outside, breathing in the fresh.
Okay, we can just go back and then we control the speed because it looks like she's speaking very fast, and then we come here again and create the speech, and then we come here and listen to
Fields.
the voiceover.
Birds sing their cheerful songs, and the goats graze peacefully.
Okay, then when you're done, when you're happy with the results, you can just come here to this arrow that is facing down, and then you just click on that, then it will be downloaded into your system. All right, so you're gonna need to download you're gonna need to copy and paste your voiceover prompt into the text to speech for all the scene in order for you to have a complete story. So now you need to bring all the images, videos and audio into Canva and start editing your video. So I'm not going to do that process. I've been showing how I actually edit my videos, so you can just go through to my previous video and see how I edit, or you can just go and then use the method of editing like CapCut and other tools that you find them easier and you can just use them. So then we can just listen to the last, and then we can just listen to the last part and see if maybe this is going very well.
It was a peaceful morning on the farm when Emily heard a faint cry coming from the field.
What's that sound? Is someone in trouble?
Curious. It was a peaceful morning on the farm when Emily heard a faint cry coming from the field.
What's that sound? Is someone in trouble?
Okay, then when you're done, we can just come here and share your video and download it, and then you hit download again, and then you are done with your video. So I'm afraid we came to the last part of our video. So I hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Up until next time, goodbye.